welcome back. It's hard to believe it's been a month since we started this journey together. We've covered so much ground, from plugging the leaks in your finances to building a plan for your promotion to understanding the fundamental rules of wealth. It's been an incredible journey. I've written all of these comments, messages, and I wanted to end this month by doing something a little different. I want to distill everything we've talked about down to the 3 most important life-changing lessons. And then I'm going to answer some of the most common questions you've asked me along the way. Think of this as our monthly review. Let's dive in. Hey, I'm Abubakar Kaka. On this channel, I try to encourage or talk about finance and personal development and help people grow one story at a time. If you find any value from what we're saying, kindly subscribe and share with your family and friends. Maybe they will learn something more. So first of all, the first and the most important lesson in this month is you must command your money or it will command you. This was the core of our money leaks and the 7-10-10-10 conversation. Most of us let our money just happen. It comes in and goes out, and we are left wondering where it all went. The shift happened when you decide to become the master of your income by creating a system, whether it's plugging the leaks or allocating every dollar with the 7-10-10-10 rule. You give every single dollar a purpose before the month begins. You're no longer playing defense, you are playing offense. This is the foundational step to all wealth. Lesson number 2 is that your value is a product that you are responsible for building and marketing. This was the heart of our promotion blueprint, the video where we talk about how you can get promoted. We can't just work hard and hope someone notices us. Hope is not a strategy. By documenting your wins in a proof of work ledger, you are building your product feature list. By skill stacking, you are creating a new and improved version of that product. And by pitching a mini project, you're marketing that new version to your most important customer, which is your boss. Your career is a business and you are the CEO. And the third lesson we learned this month, the one that truly separates the wealthy from everyone else, is that the rich buy assets while everyone else buys liability. This was our assets versus liability talk. That is the simple and profound truth that an asset puts money in your pocket and a liability takes it out. This changes your entire perspective. You stop asking, can I afford the payment on this car? And start asking, what asset can I buy that will help me pay for this car? You shift from being a customer or being a consumer to being an owner. That is the final boss of personal finance. Okay, now I want to answer a few questions that came up again and again in the comment section. The first one is from a viewer who asked, this is great, but I'm living paycheck to paycheck. How can I possibly find 10% for savings or for investment? That's a good question. And that's a fantastic and a very real question, to be honest. If 10% feels impossible, do not let that stop you. Start with as little as 1%. Seriously, the goal isn't the amount, it's the habit. Automate 1% of your paycheck into a savings account. It might only be $20 or maybe $10, but you are building the muscle of paying yourself first. Once you prove you can live without that 1%, you'll find the confidence to make it 2, 3, 4 and start small, but start now. Another great question was asked, I'm an introvert, how do I talk about my wins without feeling like I'm bragging? I love this question. The key is to frame your wins around the team's success. Instead of saying, I did this amazing thing, you can say, I was really happy I could contribute to the team's goal of X by doing Y. Or the new template I created seems to be saving the team a lot of time, which is great. You are not bragging, you're reporting on the positive outcomes that you helped create. It's a subtle but powerful shift. So there it is. Command your money, build value, and buy assets. If you can focus on just those 3 things, your financial life will completely be different a year from now. This has been an incredible first month. I am so grateful for every single one of you who has watched, commented, and shared. We are building a real community. My question for you today is, what was the single biggest lesson or aha moment for you this month? Let me know in the comment section. I want to hear what resonates most with you. See you next time. Bye for now.